Good evening. Today I would like to discuss the infographic I created that shows the waste produced by styrofoam takeout boxes every year. The design I used is meant to be pleasing to the eye, easy to read, and organized. For the font, I used Aroni font because it is bold and easily read. I used the same font throughout the entirety of the infographic so that a change in font would not distract readers. I then enlarged the numbers used in the data presentation to make it more impactful to readers. The primary color I chose was white and variations of green. Green is a color that represents nature and evokes the emotion of safety. Using green makes people think of green products. The goal of the layout was to have the audience be able to work down through the infographic without losing their place in the story. This was achieved by placing each section of visual data by itself and having consecutive data below it. This also enabled the visual data to be as large and easy to read as possible. Similarity in the layout was desired in the infographic so that the audience could look at any individual section of the infographic and be able to view it as a complete argument and a complete story. Proximity was used to connect body text to the visual aid that supported it. I did not use titles because I felt like it distracted from the infographic. Instead, I just used pure data and statements. The story began at a national level and ended at a local level because my main audience is here in the community of Moscow, Idaho. It is a call to action to generate awareness among residents and restaurant owners of the waste generated by styrofoam boxes. So as you can see at the top, I started at a national level, stating that 83 billion takeout boxes were distributed in the U.S. in 2014. I then went down and divided this up per person in the U.S., and this amounts to 4.5 boxes per person per day in the U.S. I then generated the numbers of the amount of waste produced in landfills. This was 5% of total waste. And the amount of to-go boxes that we throw out amount to 40 million tons of waste per year, and that is 2,000 tons of waste per year in Moscow, Idaho alone. And as you can see, through the clear steps in the story, it starts at the national level, ends at the local level, and has a call to action to stop the use of styrofoam to-go boxes. Thank you.